Okay, now it's time to get to the real deal, the side skirts. First things first, we're gonna get all of these three objects, and we're gonna copy the words. But first things first, let's fix a little bit of things. Let's fix a little bit of things. So this with that. Then at the rear fender, that one. Shift D E P S. Join them. There we go. Let's get rid of the extra verb vertices. Then press M at center, just to merge them into one place. Space them properly. EX, then extrude it over on the x-axis to give it a thickness and some solidifying. Shed smooth, subdue it. Now we're gonna give it some proper boundaries. Nice.